Hello, and welcome to Someka Porter's 5 Forces template. This template mainly allows businesses to evaluate their competitors based on their strengths. It also provides market analysis so that businesses can make the right decisions about their goals. In this template, we have 7 different sections. They are menu, dashboard, and 5 forces. We can start with the menu. In the menu, we have a navigation wheel and settings sections. In the settings, you can select the scoring system you want from the drop-down list. Also, you can enter the markets you want to compare in the market list. In the navigation wheel, you can go to the forces sheets by clicking these sections. If you want to go to dashboard, you have two options. You can click Porter's 5 Forces Analysis shape, or you can click the Analysis Dashboard button. Let's give an example. Also, you can add new determinants. Now, we can go to the dashboard. In the dashboard section, you can track your forces and markets from the charts. Also, you can view your scores using the market and force filters. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to check our other templates at someka.net.